You've never
Do
done
that
it.
right
You're
now.
lying.
Okay.
Do that.
How
Flip
can you
your
say
camera
you've done it with
and
me
walk
on
to
your
the
live?
kitchen, walk to the bathroom. Do that. Flip it
How
right now,
can you
then, G.
say that you've...
Look
I
at him,
can't
Unks. Unks,
understand.
you know this shit is a
How?
liar. He can't even flip your camera how you're doing. Do what Unks is
Kid,
doing right now.
you're lying.
I
Me and
done
you
what Unks
now.
is doing
Let's
because you
do the
was on the
challenge.
live.
Me and you. Let's
Oh
me and you
my
do the
God. No,
challenge
bro.
now.
You can't do
Me
what
and
Unks is
you. Me
doing.
and you.
You are
Right
done
now.
out here,
You
brother.
can't. You're scared.
I gotta
Uncle.
shoot you.
Flip your
Uncle,
camera and walk
you're
around your
acting
house
dumb
and I'll
now
do the
because
same.
you're letting him
Cool.
get
So,
away
brother, I
with it,
promise
yeah?
you, yeah. I
Uncle,
promise
I'm
you.
saying to you, Uncle, I swear on my children,
I'm
listen,
sorry.
Uncle, on my
Oh, what's going
children's
on now?
life,
You want me to
Kidavelly
bring you back
flips the
something? Let me know.
camera and shows his
Yeah,
house.
we made you a
I'll
list.
show you anything
Nah.
you want.
Bro,
But you
but you
can't
Bring
showed
because
your
you're
back my
house
scared. Look how
numerous
scared
amount
you are.
of
Look at your
times,
eyes.
brother.
Look at your
But you
eyes. You're
never go
scared.
walk in your kitchen. Brother,
You're
you said I
scared.
lived in cool. So, brother, shut
Look,
up. You said I lived
look.
in a hostel,
I'm
right?
in my kitchen now. Look, this is my kitchen. I'm in my kitchen right now.
Flip the
What are you
camera.
telling me?
Flip
What are
the
you?
camera and
Walk to
show
your
your whole
kitchen.
house.
Walk to
Flip
your
your
kitchen
camera.
now.
Flip
Without
your
even
camera
flipping
and
your
show
camera,
my
you
man.
can't.
Flip your
Walk.
camera.
Walk.
Flip your
Shit is
camera.
Listen.
real, nigga.
Show
Flip
them
your
the
camera,
watch.
My
brother.
What is
shit
it?
is
What's the
real,
name of
nigga.
it? What's the
Cool.
name of your
I'm gonna
watch?
flip him.
My
Cool.
shit is
Listen, I'm gonna
real.
What's
do
the
this
name
right
of your
now.
watch? What's
Listen,
the
I'm
name
gonna
of your
do that
watch?
right now. Cool. I'm
What's the
gonna
name
do
of
this
your
right
watch?
now. I'm gonna do this right
You
now.
talking about
What's the
me?
name?
Me?
Yeah, you. What's the name of that watch? And you flip your camera.
Oh, look, nigga, I turn around, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, bitch ass nigga.
What's the name of it?
Fuck you talking
What's
about,
it
nigga?
called?
Huh?
What's it called?
Huh?
There's no name.
What you
What's
talking
the
about? No
name?
name. What you
What
talking about? No
name is
name.
it? What is it? What name does it say?
You don't know what that
What
is?
name? What does it say?
You don't know what that is?
We can't read it. We can't see it. What does it say?
Actually, it's just like you can't show me your white bedroom set.
You can't even read it. Mine says Cartier. What does yours say?
Yo, show me your white bedroom set. Show me how
What
you
does
got
your
your
watch
wife
say?
living.
What does your watch say? Tell me. Kidavelly's gone to a black screen. He's doing a house tour now. He's just like you. He lies.
Can you afford this?
What does your
Can you
does the
afford that?
name say?
Huh?
What does your name say?
Mommy.
The name of the watch say?
This bitch ass nigga want to tell me about a watch, but he can't
What
show me
does
how
the
you got
name
his
of
wife.
the watch
What's
say?
your wife
Cool.
living
Listen.
on, nigga?
Listen,
What does
What's
your
your
watch
wife
say?
is sleeping on,
look,
nigga? What you
but
trying
I'm
to
good.
Show us the locked cupboard.
I'm
Show
good.
us the locked cupboards.
Look, bro.
The locked
I'm good.
cupboards. Show us the
I'm
locked
good, brother.
cupboards.
Yo,
Show
what
us
you...
the
good.
locked
Alright,
cupboards.
show me your white
Show us
bedroom.
the locked cupboards.
Look,
Show
I'm
me.
Man,
good,
see
brother.
the hostel. Look, the lock.
I'm good, brother.
Show me your wife. Show me your white bedroom.
Look, I'm good, brother.
What's
Show
the
me your
name
white
of
bedroom
your
set.
watch? Both
I'm
of
good,
you are
brother.
deflecting. Both
Look.
of you. There's a
You
lock
the
on
only
your
one that's
fridge
not
and your
showing
cupboard.
nothing now, Ashley.
Why have you got a lock on the fridge and the
Killer,
cupboard,
stop
Kidavelly?
showing it, killer.
Why?
That's all he want to do.
Why have
Stop
you got
showing
a
it, killer.
lock?
Look,
Why have you got a lock
look,
on the cupboards?
look,
Why have
brother.
you got lock
Look.
Ashley's
on
a
the
Show
cupboard?
your
bitch.
fridge. Show
Why
your
have you got
fridge.
a lock
Show
on
your
the
fridge.
Show
cupboard?
your
Who
Show your
fridge.
lives in the
fridge.
house?
Show your
Show
fridge,
your
brother.
That's
refrigerator.
not
Show your
your
fridge.
food. That's
Oh,
not
he
yours.
capping,
That's
yo.
for other people.
All right, so show
He's got a
yours.
lock on the cupboard, Uncle. He's got a lock on the
I want
cupboard.
to hear that, man.
Look,
Show
bro.
your
He's
shit.
got a
Look,
lock
brother.
on his cupboard. Look. Show him the cupboard. Show him the
Flip your
cupboard, not
camera.
other people's
Flip your
food.
camera.
That's other
Flip
people's
You
your
acting like a
food.
camera.
real bitch,
Flip
yo.
your fucking camera, bro.
That's other people's
Flip
food
your
you're
camera.
showing him. You live
Yo,
in a
you act like
shared
a real
house,
bitch,
brother.
yo.
Cool. I live
Show
in
the
a shared
cupboard.
yard.
Why are you not showing the whole kitchen? If you're proud of it, look, you're hiding it.
Man,
I'll
shut
show
your
you
bitch ass up,
everything.
nigga. I'm about to kick you off of
Uncle,
it.
you're dumb, Uncle, because you're listening to his lies. That's how dumb you are. Everyone in the UK knows this. Look at your comments. Everyone in the UK knows this. Everyone. This is what a real fridge looks like, Uncle. Look, this is what a real house fridge looks like. Look.
Right. Listen,
Look.
brother. If I live,
Look.
listen, brother.
This
If
is
I
what a
live,
fridge looks
if I
like.
live in a
Look.
hostel, I have a BT Wi-Fi, brother. I've got BT Wi-Fi, brother.
He's got BT Wi-Fi, so it's not a hostel.
So I'm living in a hostel, right?
I can't believe
I'm living
this.
in a hostel, and I've
I
showed
can't
you
believe this.
my whole thing, brother, right?
Show
Right?
us the hallway now.
And I'm
Show us
gonna
the
show
rest of
you
your
now,
house.
and I'm
Show
going
us
to
the
show
rest.
you now, and I'm going to
Show us
show
the
you
rest.
what my
Show us
thing
the
now,
rest.
what my bathroom is looking. Let's do
Show
a
us the
bathroom
rest.
challenge. We are going to eat a bathroom challenge now, brother,
Show
right?
us the rest.
You show me your bathroom right now. Go to your bathroom, and I'm gonna walk right now and show you my bathroom, brother.
Please.
Right?
Do you want to see a real fridge? That's a real fridge. Yeah, that's a real fridge. Yeah, with real ingredients for real people. You understand?
Look,
yeah,
I'm calm, brother.
That's a real fridge. You understand? Yeah. Brother. Go to your sitting room. Can we see your sitting room? Can we see your 60-inch TV? Show us your sitting room. You said your sitting room. They locked the sitting room.
Show the
Where's your
bathroom.
soap? Where's the
Show the
soap in the
bathroom.
bathroom? Where's the soap?
Look,
Where's your
brother, I'm
soap
good.
and your
I'm good,
toiletries?
brother. Look.
You've got one
Here.
shower gel.
Here, brother.
Just one
Here.
shower gel.
Here, brother. Look,
Just one shower gel.
Right here.
Just one.
Look,
An
right
empty
here.
bottle. They're empty. We can hear them. They're empty bottles. You've
It's
got two empty
bottle,
bottles. It's empty. We can hear them. They're hollow. It's
bro.
empty.
I'm
The
gonna
other
put it in the
one's
sink,
empty.
bro.
We heard it. It's empty. You've got
Nah.
empty bottle of shower gel. Empty. See, it's empty.
Show your team.
It's empty. It's empty. Man,
Shut
just
the
showed
fuck
empty
up, man.
soap.
This
How can you have empty?
bitch
You've
ass
got
nigga still
empty
on here
shower
talking
gel.
shit.
Man, uncle, you missed it. He just showed an
No, I
empty
ain't missed
shower
it. Can
gel.
we see your
You
white
missed
bedroom
it.
set, nigga?
Nah, listen.
Can we see your
Uncle,
white
you
bedroom set, nigga?
Uncle, you're disrespecting the thing. You're making a man with empty soap containers in a shared house with no fridge.
Man. What we talking about seeing your white bedroom.
I just showed my house.
Can we see your white bedroom?
I just showed it. You wasn't on here. I just showed my fridge. I showed everything.
I don't believe you.
You went.
I don't believe
Ask the comments.
I want to see your
swear
fridge. Let me see your fridge. Let me see your refrigerator. All right, open it. Open it. Open it. It's decent. It's decent. All right, where the fridge at? Where your meat at?
We don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian. Brother. You know this, and I don't have a freezer.
All right, let me see you. Let me see.
I don't eat processed food.
Let me see how you got your kids sleeping and mind you. Let me see what you got your wife sleeping on. Cause I believe
Uncle,
that
you're not listening to me. Uncle,
I'm being
listen
honest
to me.
now, Ashley. I believe that you a nigga that got a nice car, a nice whip, and got your family living like shit.
Just like, listen, I showed you my house. Listen, just stop a minute. Let me just listen before you talk.
Make me look stupid and show your white bedroom.
You're making yourself look stupid,
Make
Uncle.
me look
I showed
stupid
you the
and
whole
show your
flat.
white bedroom set.
Uncle, I showed you the
Make
whole
me look
flat. You're
stupid
making
and show
yourself
your
look
white bedroom
stupid.
set.
I've